contact dermatitis. It is the inflammatory skin lesion produced by the substances that come in contact with the skin surface. It is classified into two groups: irritant contact dermatitis, allergic contact dermatitis. Irritant is local one, especially alkalis or the acidic chemicals that produces rash over the specified or localized lesion where the substance is in contact with the skin. Whereas allergic is selective one, it starts from a local area of the skin and spread to the distant area of the skin. And it is produced by the action or the activity or the stimulus of the immune system of the body against that notorious or non-animal factors or substances. These factors which produces allergic contact dermatitis are mostly the cosmetic, commercial products, face beautifying creams, lotions, shaving creams, perfumes, hair dyes, and the metallic ornaments like gold, silver, and nickel ones. In addition to this, there are botanical factors or the chemicals that produces the contact dermatitis in farmers, gardeners working in the fields and the harvesting the various products, agriculture products. Symptoms of the contact dermatitis is there is severe itchiness, burning, redness, hotness, swelling of the area where there is rash is formed one. The rash initially started as a macule, then it is converted in papules, vesicle, pustules, and into the crusty skin, scales, and the lesions. So, the allergic disease is due to the overactivity or the action of the immune system of the body, that is the WBC, B cell, T cell, plasma cells, monocytes, lymphocytes, all these take part in this fight against the contact articles or the substance. Diagnosis of the contact dermatitis. Patient history about the use of that product or the chemical or the contact substance like perfumes and the other beauty parlors, commercial items and products. Physical examination is evident from the typical red rash and converting into various stages of the skin lesions. Now there is biopsy test. If there is pustule form, vesicle formation filled with the fluid, that is evacuated and sent to the laboratory for culture and sensitivity test. The typical test in this disease is skin patch test. In skin patch test, various allergens are attached to the back of the chest for 48 hours to notice the allergic reaction of the various allergens which act as antigen to the body. So this is a specified test which is performed for identification of the allergens producing the typical contact dermatitis.